guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. So as you probably saw from the title, I'm going to be doing is opening a package. I was about to say slime and squishy stuff. I don't think I ordered squishies. I forgot. But yeah, it looks like this. And we already opened it. Our address was right here, but we didn't. We just covered it. It's Paw Patrol, by the way. We opened it because we didn't know whose it was. Guys, that's the first peek. I can't see it, but like I'm gonna see if you guys can see it. Okay, so got a paper. It says some good extras. You guys can't even read that. Whatever. Okay. Oh, she's probably talking about this because I did not order this. It's like a bag still stuffed a lot of stuff. The first thing I pull out is this hand cream from Bath and Body Works, 99% mermaid. You smell it. By the way, I'm gonna do part 2 of this because I also ordered stuff. And the other video, part 2, is gonna be with Alexa. So we can both see what it is. I can't close that. Okay, whatever. Let's just leave it right there. Oh, this is used rose water and ivy. Bath and Body Works. What's it called? Hand pocket. It smells not really that good, but it smells good. Tomorrow, Sam? Oh, we're tomorrow doing the pictures? Got a rock? Okay. Whatever. This is actually really pretty, guys. Let me just show you. Like, just go into the kind of the light. That this is really pretty. She said it's also for good luck, but I took that note out. Okay. Let me put that back in. I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me. I don't know if you guys could. I'm not going to use these. I got some headphones. I'm not using those. Okay. Got a big lotion. Vanilla Bean Noel. From Bath and Body Works too. That smells really good. It smells like gingerbread. Okay, so that's the stuff that we're all in here. I'm surprised that could all fit in there. Okay, let me just tap on it. Okay. What is this? Okay, so I see. Oh, that's snowflakes all over it. Something like that. It's just, ooh, whatever. What is? Oh, this is a slime, guys. Okay. So, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, this is the hot. It just ripped. This is a hot cocoa one I ordered. Let's see how. Oh, it's kind of sticky. Yeah, it's kind of sticky, but kind of rubbery at the same time. She put a lot of extras, and I barely see slime. So yeah, that's one review. This hot cocoa one looks really ugly too, guys. It mostly feels like sticky putty. But yeah, that's how it feels like. Okay, Ariel just did hand sanitizer, which I don't really care because I don't want that one. Okay. What is this? Oh, we have some Halloween stickers, which I don't not want to open because I don't want to waste the time of the video. No. Here. a phone case that's been really used and that has like that stain. I don't know if you can see it. And it's really yellow on the corners. You can see right there. No, that's really nasty. This bracelets that says Pine Village. Did they get this off of Roblox or something? Don't know. And this purple necklace, which I will actually wear. Okay. I got 2 of these Play-Doh thingies. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's actually Play-Doh. That's really sticky Play-Doh. Okay. I'll write a good review on this. She's taking all of my stuff. She's opening them too. Oh my god, the Play-Doh is sticky everywhere. Okay, it's like kind of stretchy. It's like, look, watch. It's like butter slime. Only it's like really sticky. And soft. Really, really soft. Okay. So next to the next thing. The actually the last thing in here. This one's pretty heavy. It's the same one. But I ordered a different one, so this will probably be a different slime. Not Play-Doh. That looks like vomit, guys. That actually literally looks like vomit. Okay. The texture is like so weird. It barely stretches either. This is a really weird slime, guys. It kind of smells good. But it's like so chunky. See how that is. Okay, look. Can I even poke it? No, stop it. Not really. It makes a really weird sound. I will also do Thanksgiving break video. Right there, you could actually poke it. Okay, so that's all, like, pink. Check. Yeah, that's all that was actually in there. So I'm gonna put all the stuff away and almost end the video because it's been 8 minutes. I'll just put that in there and put those through. Okay, that's all that was in there. And yeah, I like the package actually a lot. I really do. But that though, I don't like. I'm gonna just take my scrunchie, the black normal one, plug it into my hair, and she's just looking at me really weird. Whatever. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna show you what Alexa wrote. She's not done with it, but this is what she. Yeah, our slime package. Oh, what the world? Give it to her. Don't take it away. Bruh, she just stole the thing that's in her mouth right now. She's crying all about that. Yes. 1-second challenge. 20-second challenge, I mean. Look, watch. You just take this. I don't know where okay, like that. And we have to draw ice cream for 20 seconds, and it has to try to guess it. It doesn't get what it is. Comment down below if you would know what it is. Toothbrush, that's really easy. Yep, got it right. Laptop, I don't really think I know how to do this. That's the keyboard, but I'm gonna make it smaller if I can, if I have enough time, guys. Yes, I got it right. Okay. Bench would be like that. Okay, so that's the stuff I was drawing before I even started this video. An owl and a fireplace. It didn't get any of those wrong. Like that. Like all these top ones I got wrong, and all these bottom ones got right. Look at this really nice Buddha. I don't actually know if it is one. Oh my god. I'm gonna stay up in the night because it's Thanksgiving break. Please don't stop the music. And today's Friday. Okay, so yeah. We're renting a couch for what's it called? Thanksgiving. Yeah. At Rena Center. Oh yeah, you know why? Just because of this. Look, watch, guys. We have no couch. Except for that one over there. Get it, Percy? Please don't stop the music. Mute. She's trying to hide it from me. You were trying to hide cookies from me? You're trying to hide yourself making cookies? Were you hiding it?
What do you mean what I'm hiding?
I never said, what are you hiding? Okay, what are you? You left the thing open. By the way, guys, it's sugar cookies. You left the thing open. I'm gonna just put it away. Just like seal it a little. Or a lot, or fully. Sugar cookies. Just put it right there. I drew this a really long time ago. I don't like it. That was me a long time ago. Oh, and that's me last year. This was my school picture last year. This was my school picture in kindergarten. And this is me right now. So ugly. Okay, that was another one. It's like magnets. I have a really small one too. I don't know where it is. It's probably somewhere on the floor. And it is 7:56 o'clock p.m. Friday, November 22nd. November 22nd. iPhone XR. With a really thick phone case. It's the red one. Okay, you guys can't see the password. Okay, so we're in already. And we're going to do this. Wait, no, I forgot. It's not Snapchat. And bye. still have this necklace on. Try it. No, I'm just playing. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below if you saw that. I don't know if you guys did. But yeah, hope you guys like this video.